Okay, look what's just arrived. Okay, we've got look. Oh, they look so gorgeous. The Archetypes Expansion Pack that goes with Storyteller Tactics, that allows you to ditch the dull stories and create relatable characters. That's whether you're building a brand identity, whether you're just telling great stories, whether you're helping people on kind of journey through life. Archetypes are going to help. They look so great. Let's open one up. Hold on. Let's get out. Let's just open it up really carefully. Mark it. Maybe we need some unwrapping tactics. Right, here we go. So the Archetypes, this is the first expansion pack that Tipdeck has ever made. Oh, there was an easier way to do that. Okay, so it's basically 20 cards in the box. And the first one is a little explainer, saying what are archetypes, how do you use them. Then you've got 3 little workshop cards, the way ahead for helping people move through life. Raise the stakes for telling more dramatic stories. Build your brand, which is how to build a brand. And then you get all the different archetypes, the ruler, the caregiver, the innocent, the jester, the rebel, and so on and so on. We've also thrown in, there's a magic card in there by the way, which you'll really love. Let me show you it, hold on. Oh. Wait till you see the magician. He's got a sort of sparkly, shiny finish to him. We've also added some cards here, like from Storyteller Tactics, Good and Evil, Man in the Hole, and Movie Time, because they're going to help you use the Archetypes deck. So you could actually just get the Archetypes without Storyteller Tactics. Oh yeah, there's some nice little stickers on the back as well. How fantastic! Can't wait for people to get them and start telling me what they think of them. But those are the archetypes.